Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to NIBS Home School. I am Ashis Biswas, an assistant teacher of mathematics in National Ideal English Medium School morning shift. Today I am going to take a math class for the student of class 6. Our today's topic is exercise 4.3 subtraction. We shall solve in our class 32 number question, 33 and 35 number questions. In our class 30 number and 34 number will be your HW. I repeat, in our class 32, 33 and 35 will be your CW and 30 and 34 will be your HW. This is HW number 4. So let us start our class. Our first question is 32 number questions. Here 5x plus 9 plus 8x square from 7x square plus 9x plus 18. We shall do subtraction. We shall do subtraction. Here the first expression is 5x plus 9 plus 8x square and the second expression is 7x square plus 9x plus 18. My dear student, notice the question asks you to subtract the first expression from the second expression. Please notice we subtract the first expression from the second expression. You don't subtract second expression from first expression. I repeat again, you must subtract first expression from second expression as from is given. So write second expression first. Here 7x square plus 9x plus 18. My dear students, we write the similar term under the similar terms. That's why here 5x. That means we consider the sign of left hand side. 5x carry plus sign. So where is 5x? Where is x term? Here the middle. So we write here 5x and next number is 9. So it is similar as 18. So we write 9 below 18. And the last plus 8x square. Why we write 8x square? In this 7x, below 7x square we write 8x square. I hope you understood how to decorate the first expression according to the first expression. In subtraction, please notice, in subtraction we shall change all the sign of the first expression. That means which is below, we change the sign of all expression. That means here 8x square it is plus and it will be minus. 5x it is plus, it will be minus. 9 it is plus, it will be minus. Okay, I hope you understood. If the sign is plus, then that sign will be minus. If the sign is minus, then that sign will be plus. Okay. So we subtract 9 from 18. If we subtract 9 from 18, we get 9. My dear student, notice here 18 and 9. Which number is bigger? Here 18 is bigger. Bigger number, consider bigger number contains plus sign. So we write here plus sign. Okay. Our next number is 5x and 9x. Minus 5x and 9x. We subtract 5x from 9x and we get 4x. Which sign is placed here? As 9 contains plus sign, so here will be plus sign. Our next number is 8x square, 7x square. Here 8 is minus and 7 is plus. So if we subtract minus 8 plus 7, then we get 1. Here the largest number is 8. As largest number carrying negative sign, we write here minus. So we write 1x square. But we need not to write 1 as the coefficient of a number. So we erase this number and we know that every single variable contains a coefficient which is 1. I hope you have understood, and this is the answer of the subtraction. That means if we subtract first expression from second expression, then we get the answer and it will be the answer and you must write answer. That means minus x square plus 4x plus 9. I hope you have understood how to subtract a fraction from another fractions. Okay. Okay, our 32 number is done. Next we shall solve question number 33. 33 number question is minus x cube y square plus x square y square plus 5xy plus 2 from 3x cube y square minus 5x square y square plus 7xy plus 2. My dear students, we subtract this first term from the second term. So at first we write the second term. That means here the second term is 3x cube y square minus 5x square y square plus 7xy plus 2. And the first expression is, the first number is minus x cube y square plus x square y square plus 5xy plus 2. My dear students, please notice here we need to change the sign. We need to change the sign. That means if a number contains plus sign, then that will be minus sign. If a number contains minus sign, then that will be plus sign. Then here minus x cube y square. So we write here plus sign. Here plus sign, it will be minus sign. Here plus sign, it will be minus sign. Here plus sign, it will be minus sign. My dear students, now if we subtract this 2 from 2, we get 0. That means 2 carries minus sign. So 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So we need not, we write 0 first, then plus. My dear students, next we subtract 5xy from 7xy. Here 5xy is minus and 7xy is plus. As 7 is the largest number, so 7 number carries plus sign and this sign is here. If we subtract 5 from 7, then we get 2 and this xy is here. I hope you have understood how to subtract 5xy from 7xy. Our next number is minus x square y square and minus 5x square y square. My dear students, in number line we shall learn how to add two negative numbers. That means suppose this is minus 1 and this is minus 5. So it is a number line. It is a number line. Now minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. So first of all we go to minus, then we shall go 5 step. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So what will be happened here? We get 6. Just like this, minus 5x square y square and minus x square y square. So we get minus 6x square y square. Then here both number carrying minus sign, so we give here minus sign. Our next number is 3x cube y square plus x cube y square. I repeat here 3x cube y square and plus x cube y square. So we add these two number and we get 4x cube y square. I hope you have understood how to subtract this number from this number, and we get the answer is 4x cube y square minus 6x square y square plus 2xy. We need not write 0. If you don't write 0 here, then it will be okay. Okay. So our 33 number question is done. Next we shall solve question number 35. Okay. Now I erase question number 33. 35 number questions. My dear students, here we subtract first expression from second expression also. So that at first we write the second expression. What is second expression? X to the power 4 plus 2x cube plus x square plus 4. And the first expression is x cube. My dear students, here x to the power 4, but the first expression don't contain any x to the power 4. So we write x cube under x cube. So write x cube. Then minus 2x square. So we write minus 2x square. Here plus 2x is absent in the second expression. So we need not write first, then we write plus 3. And this left plus 2x is written here. I hope you have understood how to record the first expression. Okay? As the rules of subtraction, then we shall change the sign. Then we shall change the sign. That means plus sign will be minus sign and minus sign will be plus sign. Here x cube contains plus sign and it will be minus sign. Minus 2x square it contains minus and it will be plus. Plus it will be minus. Here plus it will be minus. Here minus 2x, but the second expression don't contain any type of number in x. So we write this minus 2x. Then we subtract this 3 from 4 and we get 1 and we get 1. I hope you understood. Then plus 2x square plus x square. If we add these two expressions, then we get 3x square. 3x square, and this is plus sign as the largest number 4 carry plus sign. So we write here plus sign. Then here both number carrying plus sign, so we write plus sign. Then x cube minus x cube and 2x cube. If we subtract 1x cube from 2x cube, then we get 1x cube. We need not write 1 because we know that every single variable contains a coefficient which is 1. Okay. So we write here plus sign or minus sign. Here 2x cube is the largest number and it is contains plus sign. So we write here plus sign. My dear student, notice x to the power 4 is left. So we write this x to the power 4. We only change the expression which is below the first expression. So we find out this answer. In answer, we write the answer x to the power 4 x cube plus 3x square. Here minus 2x, right, then after that we write plus 1. You must decorate when write answer and it is the answer. I hope you have understood how to subtract second expression from first expression. Second expression from first expression. This is our today's CW. This is our today's CW. 32, 33 and 35 is our today's CW. And next we shall do SW in our assigned SW copy. My dear students, 30 and 34 number questions will be your SW. Okay, here minus a square plus b square minus c square from a square plus b square plus c square. So first of all you write the second expression, then you write the first expression under the second expression, then you change the sign. After that you solve and you get the answer. And 34 is similar, minus 2y square plus 3x square minus z from 4x square plus 3y square plus z. My dear student, notice here the number cannot is not decorated here. So when we write second expression, after that we write first expression, then we decorate first. After that we change the sign and finally we solve and we get the answer. Okay, this is SW number 4. My dear students, you have already know that SW is very important for your annual term, and based on your SW diary marks, city marks and SBM marks will be given. So you must do your SW regularly and submit it regularly. If you have any questions or queries about my class, if you don't understand any questions of our today's CW, you must make a phone call to me. My phone number is 0175 268 2211. You may also contact with me as messenger. My messenger ID is as my name, Ashis Biswas. Okay, my dear students, keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. See you soon. Till then, assalamu alaikum.